Right now, you're thinking about your future. What's next? Sixth form? College? Work? What if you could choose a place that opens every door? Welcome to Croydon College, where your future starts now. With thousands of students and hundreds of courses, Croydon College is one of the biggest and most diverse colleges in the southeast. Whether you're into creative arts, business, engineering, sport, or digital media, there's something here for you.
I do animation and game design.
I do electrical.
I do music.
Choose from A-levels, vocational courses, apprenticeships, and even degree-level study, all in one place. So whether your goal is university, a career, or starting your own business, you can get there from here. College isn't just about lessons, it's about discovering who you are. At Croydon College, you'll build confidence, meet new people, and get support every step of the way. From expert teachers to career guidance, we've got your back. Croydon College has helped thousands of students turn ambition into reality, whether that's university, employment, or something completely unique. So what's your next step? Discover your future, build your path, become your best self at Croydon College.